This video walkthrough will take a look at how to create and assign options to your products in your Opencart store. Now, there are a couple of different ways that you can differentiate between your products or similar products using Opencart. These are attributes and options. Attributes are used more for information purposes only. They can be used for doing product comparisons, but they won't actually force a customer to make a choice prior to completing the purchase. If you need that to be done, options are going to be the way to go. So in that case, they're ideal for things such as dealing with colours, sizes, and so on. Now, using options is a two-step process. First, you need to create the option that you want to be able to assign, and then you need to assign that option to a product. To create the options, you need to go into the Catalogue tab, and then you'll see Options. This will take us through to a list of all of the existing options. You can see in here we've got size set up, for example, already. What we're going to do now is set up an option for colours. So to do that, we'll click the Insert button at the top right-hand corner. So you'll see here it's asking for an option name. We're going to make that colour. Type, generally speaking, you'll use either select, radio or checkbox. There are some other options there, but generally speaking, these are the ones that you'll use. We're going to use the radio button. Sort order is not necessary to put in, but certainly something you can place in there if you wish, so we'll pop that in. Now we also need to create some option values. So since our option name is colour, our option values are going to be different colours. All you need to do is just enter the name of an option, and the more that you need, just keep clicking the Add Option Value button. Once you've set up a few options in there, you can just click Save at the top right-hand corner. And there you go, you've got a message saying success, you've modified options. So now that the option has been created, we need to assign that to a product. So I'll go back into our catalogue and into our products. So we'll see here we've got some jeans. Let's assign the colours to those. So we'll click the Edit button for that product. And now in the tabs across the top, about halfway across, you'll see the Option tab. So if we click on that now, not a whole lot of information here at the moment, but you'll see here this all comes together as we go forward. So over on the left-hand side here, you'll see just a blank field. All you need to do is start typing the name of the option that you wish to use, and it will populate the options for you. So there you go. There's our colour one. If we click on that, you can see here that the colour option has been added. We need to add an option value in here. You'll see red is the first one that's popped up. We can pop in a quantity of how many red ones we've got. You can put in a different price here if there's different colours have different pricing, different weights, different reward points, so you can differentiate between them that way. We're going to leave that as is, we don't need to change the pricing. So let's just keep popping in the new options as we go. And there you go, we've now got all three different colours available in here. So once you've entered all that information in, just hit the Save button to update. So you'll see in here now, option colour required, yes, so it's definitely going to display that option. Blue, red and green are the choices that we have. So let's have a look at how that's displayed on the website. We go into our clothing category, which is where it is, and here's our jeans. So if we open this up, you can see here now that it's got an asterisk, so it's forcing the customer to have to choose an option here, and they can only choose one there, one particular colour, and they will not be able to complete the order until they've actually selected one. If we go in and have a look at our shopping cart now, you can see jeans, colour green, buy one. So it's actually picked up that information, and that's how you set up options in Opencart.